Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer color LUTs into DaVinci Resolve. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer color LUTs into DaVinci Resolve, start by launching DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Once the software is open, navigate to the top menu bar and click on DaVinci Resolve. In the drop-down menu, select Preferences. A new window will appear. From the options, click on the Color Management tab. Look for the Lookup Tables section within that tab. Take note of the folder path displayed there. You will need to place your LUT files in that folder. Open your File Explorer and locate the LUT files you want to transfer. Make sure the LUT files are in either .cube or .dll format, as DaVinci Resolve supports these formats. Once located, copy the LUT files. Now, navigate back to the LUT folder path you noted earlier. Paste the LUT files into that folder. After transferring the files, return to DaVinci Resolve. In the same Preferences window, click the Update Lists button under the LUT section. This action will refresh the LUTs available in the software. Close the Preferences window to return to the main interface. Next, create a new project or open an existing one. Go to the Color workspace by clicking on the Color tab at the bottom of the screen. In the upper left corner, locate the LUTs panel. If you don't see the panel, open the Workspace menu and ensure LUTs is checked. Click on the LUTs panel to expand it. Your transferred LUTs should now appear in the list. Select the clip you want to apply the LUT to in the timeline. Simply drag and drop your chosen LUT onto the clip in the viewer. You can adjust the intensity of the LUT by using the Key Output slider in the Color tab. You've now successfully transferred and applied color LUTs in DaVinci Resolve. Enjoy enhancing your footage with professional color grading. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.